The Klarna One Time Card is a virtual Visa card generated through the Klarna app, iOS or Android, for single-use online purchases at any merchant accepting Visa, allowing you to pay in 4 interest-free installments over 6 weeks or longer financing options, subject to approval. It's ideal for non-Klarna partnered retailers, for example Amazon. Download the Klarna app. Install from App Store or Google Play. Log in or sign up with email, phone, and linked debit or credit card. Complete KYC, basic ID verification. Generate the one-time card. Open the app, tap Shop or Payments, one-time card. Select the store or enter the purchase amount, for example $100. Choose payment plan, for example, Pay in 4. Tap Create Card to get a 16-digit card number, expiry date, and CVV. Shop online, visit the retailer's website, for example, walmart.com. Add items to cart, proceed to checkout, and select Credit, Debit Card. Enter the one-time card details manually. Complete purchase. Submit the order. Klarna pays the merchant instantly. Pay the first installment immediately. Remaining payments auto-debit bi-weekly. Manage payments. Track in the app's Orders section. Get email reminders to avoid late fees. $7 max. Tips: card expires after 24 hours or one use. Generate a new one per transaction. For returns, process via retailer. Klarna adjusts your plan. If the card fails, ensure sufficient limit or contact support via app chat.